Right, here we have the P28 pump feeding 396. It's a piston driven pump driven by compressed air with electrical control. Okay, the components are the reciprocating piston itself, the suction line pulling chemical from the barrel, valve here to direct flow, currently directing flow to the process, can also be moved to stop flow altogether, or to this way to prime or flow check the pump. Goes back to the tank as you see. Set in the position, air supply in here. Here is the control solenoid for the air supply. So the air line here comes from the main through here and into the pump. With the valve set at this position on and on here, the air supply is controlled by the conveyor operation. So the pump only operates when the conveyor through the booth runs, so the pump only operates them. If we want to run the pump continuously, we basically isolate the solenoid valve, open the bypass valve, and that allows the pump to run continuously. Here we have the dose setting adjustment, and this controls the frequency at which the piston moves. We can check the current setting by pressing the red button briefly. Okay, so every 120 seconds at the moment the piston will make a movement. If we want to change this, press and hold the red button. The first number will flash, change to what you need. Press again, change to what you need. Press again, change to what you need. When you finish, press again, and it's set. Now this is showing 43 seconds between each stroke. It's important to remember that the lower the number here, the higher the consumption of chemical, and conversely, the higher the number, the lower the conversion of chemical. So reset it back to the previous setting. And it's set. Okay. There's a cover that goes over just to keep it from being played with. I'll connect that later. Okay, so that's really the elements of the pump. If you want to stop the pump, the easiest way to close the air supply. The electrical solenoid will continue to click and the timer will continue to time, but the piston won't move. You can also, if you wish, physically take the power plug out of the socket. Just to show you the dosing point, goes along and into this manifold here. Now the moment the manifold is set to feed chemical up to the line just after the return pump to the flotation tank, there is an option here to take the feed into another position in the system, but at the moment leave that alone, because this is something I will be assessing during the initial phase of production with the chemistry. Okay.